Today I'm going to teach you how to integrate Jotform with Google Sheets. This is incredibly useful because it allows your form submissions to automatically flow into a spreadsheet, making data collection and analysis much more efficient. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to jotform.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to sign in using your credentials. Enter your email and password to access your Jotform dashboard. This is where all your forms are stored and managed, so make sure you're logged into the correct account. Once you're in the dashboard, you'll see all your existing forms displayed. Browse through and select the form you want to integrate with Google Sheets. After clicking on it, look for the Edit Form button and click it. This will take you into the form editor where you can make changes and configure various settings. Now at the top of the page, you'll notice several tabs. Click on Settings. This section contains all the configuration options for your form, including integrations, notifications, and submission settings from the options that appear. Select Integrations. This is where Jotform really shines, as it connects with hundreds of apps to automate your workflow. In the Integrations page, you'll see a search field at the top. Type in Google Sheets and hit Enter. The Google Sheets integration option should appear in the results. Click on it to proceed. This integration is what will bridge the gap between your form responses and your spreadsheet. You'll now be presented with a setup screen. Here, choose the option that says Create a new spreadsheet, then click Next. This ensures that a fresh Google Sheet will be created specifically for this form's data, keeping everything organized. Next, you'll need to authenticate your Google account. Click on Continue with Google. If you're not already signed into your Google account, you'll be prompted to do so at this point. Enter your Google credentials and sign in. Once signed in, Jotform will request permission to access your Google Sheets. You'll see a list of permissions with checkboxes. Review these carefully, check the boxes to grant the necessary permissions, and then click Continue. This step is essential for Jotform to write data to your Google Sheets automatically. Finally, you'll be taken to a customization screen where you can configure how your spreadsheet will look. Enter a name for your worksheet in the provided field. Choose something descriptive that relates to your form so you can easily identify it later. Once you've entered the name, click Save. And that's it. Your Jotform is now integrated with Google Sheets, and all future submissions will automatically populate in your spreadsheet in real time. This setup saves you tons of manual work and keeps your data organized. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.